Welcome to another exciting video. In this one, we'll be taking a look at how we can create our own notifications using JavaScript. So there are two aspects or two steps basically to create a notification. The first one is, first of all, the user needs to grant you permission. To do that, we ask them allow notifications, and the browser will pop up a window where they will be granting the permission. And once they have granted the permission, we'll be then making use of the send notification step where the notification will be sent to them. Now, if I click on grant permission, here I'll be asked to grant the permission for showing notifications, and it says remember my decision until I close this site for 24 hours, for 1 week, or forever. So whatever you decide, you can choose over there and click on allow. So this is going to grant the permission now. The second step is to send notification. When you click on the send notification, you'll be presented with such notifications on your desktop. So here you can see we have a title, working with notifications, and then the message that we want to show. And then we have this close button. So how we are doing this, that's the thing we will be exploring over here. The first part is to grant the permission. So here we'll be requesting that when the page loads and user clicks on the request permission button. Over here, we first of all check whether the notifications are supported by the browser or not. And if it is not supported, we just say notification not supported. Otherwise, we go ahead and request permission using notification.request permission. And over here, when the promise is resolved, whether user has clicked on allow or deny button, accordingly, we have this message printed like permission denied or granted. And if the notification permission has been granted, we then have the send notification feature. And over here, you can see we are creating an instance of the notification class. Over here, the new notification basically takes two things, the title and then the body. Now, the body is basically coming up over here. So body, as you have allowed notifications, you are awesome. And that is what we are printing over there when the notification is generated. Finally, when you're clicking on the close button of the notification, that's the close icon over here, what we are doing is we are simply printing a message over here saying console.log notification closed. And here we are closing the notification before that. So you can see that how easy it is to come up with desktop notifications using JavaScript.